Welcome back to MVP Auto 08. Today the legend returns. In 2025, the iconic M60 Patton gets a futuristic reboot, one that redefines what a modernized main battle tank can be. Originally introduced in the 1960s as a cornerstone of U.S. armored strength, the M60 served valiantly through decades of warfare, global deployments, and countless upgrades. But now, in a world of drones, artificial intelligence, and high-tech warfare, the M60 has been reborn, not just refurbished but reimagined. Let's start with the heart of the beast. The new M60 is powered by a hybrid diesel-electric engine, boosting not just power but also stealth. On electric-only mode, the tank can quietly maneuver across short distances, avoiding detection, ideal for urban operations or stealth approaches. With nearly 1,500 horsepower under the hood, this modern M60 can hit top speeds of 45 miles per hour on-road and around 30 miles per hour off-road. Not bad for something that weighs close to 70 tons. But speed isn't the only upgrade. The armor plating has been overhauled with composite and reactive armor, drastically improving survivability against modern anti-tank weapons. It even includes an active protection system that detects incoming projectiles and intercepts them mid-air, essentially giving the M60 its own bulletproof shield. Combine that with improved hull shaping and infrared camouflage tech, and this tank can now survive in the deadliest of environments. Of course, it's not a tank without firepower, and the 2025 M60 doesn't hold back. The main gun is now a 120mm smoothbore cannon capable of firing kinetic energy penetrators, high-explosive rounds, and even programmable airburst shells. The autoloading system speeds up firing rates while reducing the crew needed inside. On top of that, there's a 7.62mm coaxial machine gun, a remote-controlled 12.7mm heavy machine gun for anti-air and anti-personnel use, and an optional drone launcher system mounted in the rear for battlefield recon. What truly sets the new M60 apart, though, is the tech inside. This isn't your grandpa's tank. The crew operates in a fully digital command center, with multi-angle cameras, touchscreens, and AI-assisted targeting systems. The AI identifies threats, tracks multiple targets, and even recommends firing solutions in real time. Augmented reality helmets give the crew a 360-degree view of the battlefield, blending drone feeds, radar input, and live targeting overlays all in one heads-up display. It's like stepping into a sci-fi movie, but it's very real, and very lethal. Now, the crew. The traditional four-man setup has been streamlined. Thanks to automation and remote systems, the M60 can be operated with just 3 personnel: a commander, a driver, and a gunner. Some variants are even being tested with semi-autonomous capabilities, meaning they can follow commands remotely or even navigate preset patrol paths without a human inside. That's game-changing for battlefield logistics and troop safety. In terms of deployment, the 2025 M60 is designed to be modular. You can customize it depending on the mission. Need extra armor for heavy frontline combat? There's a kit for that. Need to reduce weight for faster deployment? Strip down to the essentials. Need to operate in harsh environments like deserts or snow-covered terrain? The M60 adapts with configurable treads and climate systems. This tank isn't just a revival, it's a statement. It proves that legacy platforms, when thoughtfully modernized, can remain lethal and relevant on a 21st century battlefield. The M60 Patton may have been born in the Cold War, but in 2025, it's been sharpened for the conflicts of tomorrow. Whether it's urban warfare, border defense, or global peacekeeping missions, the M60 is ready to roll once again. For more in-depth reviews and coverage of military tech and vehicles, make sure to subscribe to MVP Auto 08. Hit that like button if you're impressed by this futuristic war machine, and let us know in the comments. Do you think the M60 deserves its comeback?